What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be diving right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top of colors, in the colors, in clear, in mid coat. We do it all kinds of different ways. These are all fun experiments to try to help you guys learn what colors work together and what colors don't, and how to save money and replicate more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget. Today I've got two Rustoleum colors. I got a fender prepped up behind me, so that can only mean one thing. I'm going to two-tone it with two different colors, ultra black and colonial red. And I've got a new exciting eye candy pigments pearl called Rusty that I think is going to complement both these colors very well. A lot of people have been asking me for a red pearl over black. This one has some very interesting tendencies compared to some of the other basic reds that I've done on this channel. So I figured, why not try it out today? And I'll be doing it pour band style in some Finish One Clear. So first step is to get the Rustoleum on the panel. Then we'll mix up some Rusty by Eye Candy Pigments in Finish One Clear. And then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So let's get into today's episode. Alright guys, we got our colonial red and our ultra matte black already down the panel. I shot the ultra black earlier, so I've already got that on there, and now we got the red on there. So two different colors to see what this is going to do. Rusty by Eye Candy Pigments. Now, is this a solid pearl today, guys? That means you need to pick a color that somewhat works with it. Black is a safe option because shooting a solid pearl over top of black lets the pearl do all the work. And then if you shoot too light of a color with a darker solid pearl over top of it, then you get kind of a dirty looking panel. So I think this is going to complement that colonial red because it has a little bit deeper, richer of a red look, and I think it'll pair well. But there's only one way to find out, guys. Let's mix up some Finish One Clear. It's a 4-to-1 clear, 2K urethane based clear, high solids, really good clear. Works great with Rustoleum and oil-based paints. Haven't really had any issues with it. We're going to mix that up with some of this Rusty by Eye Candy Pigments, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so I did 5 ounces total of clear today. This is a 4-to-1 clear, so it mixes 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator because it's about 70 degrees. And now we're going to throw some of this Eye Candy Pigments Rusty into the mix. In powder form, man, it looks very rusty. It's pretty cool. Definitely like a cherry wood look. As far as how much I'm putting in the mix today, I got these really cool Eye Candy popsicle sticks, and I'm just going to kind of grab a little bit of it and dump it in there. This is just an experiment for fun, so let's mix this up and let's see what kind of effect we get. I got a feeling this is going to be much like another pearl I've used in the past called Cherry, and I definitely have some really brilliant looking reds, almost some burgundies, but it also pops in the light if you can see it at certain angles. I'm not feeling like this is going to be as rusty as maybe the name presents, but it's definitely going to be an interesting pearl over that black and over that red. And as always, guys, there's only one way to truly find out. Let's load up the old paint gun and let's get spraying some Rusty by Eye Candy Pigments. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun here loaded up with some of this Rusty Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. This is the Intercraft D1 Drizzle. I'm sure you guys have seen my reviews on the channel. It's a great little paint gun for a very affordable price. I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger, and it's a 1.3 tip. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to that. I'm going to do a light coat on this panel first just to introduce it, make sure we don't have any issues. And then we'll do 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get a good effect. And then the fun part, we'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so today we got Rusty Red by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Ultra Matte Black and Colonial Red. Man, it really complements that Colonial Red well. And over that Ultra Matte Black, we got a really cool black cherry looking color. But it ain't me, guys. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so we shot Rusty Red by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Ultra Matte Black and Colonial Red. Now, I know what you're thinking. Man, that thing purpled. And, you know, a lot of red pearls do tend to purple, especially over black. Over the red, it actually complemented the color very well. And, you know, overall, I like the way this looks. But there is one thing we can do to really spice it up and see what this thing could possibly look like. And that's to throw a Limelight Candy Red over top of it. So we're going to spice it up. It is Whitley Auto Works. We always like to try and go above and beyond and create something really cool. So what I'm going to do is mix up some Candy Red by Limelight Candy Concentrates, and we're going to throw a couple coats over this and then take it back out in the sun and see what we got. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so 2 layers of candy clear later, and that really helped to intensify the reds in the actual pearl and bring it out. And man, over that red, it is really sparkly and deep, and it brought out that black cherry even more with a much stronger hint of red, I would say. But hey, it ain't up to me, guys. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so today we got a little crazy with some Rusty Eye Candy Pigments pearl and some Candy Red from Limelight Candy Concentrates. Now, I've had a lot of people asking me for black with a red pearl over top here lately. That Rusty looked like a really cool red pearl. So I took a shot, we shot it over top, and as I expected, we got a lot of black cherry over the black. And, you know, over the red, it complemented it very well. But, you know, it's Whitley Auto Works. We got to spice it up a little bit. So I shot 2 coats of candy over top, gave it a much deeper, richer red to everything. And, you know, that's just one of the ways you can get really custom with paint jobs and stuff like that to get closer to the effect you want. Be mindful, a lot of times when you shoot a red pearl over black, it will black cherry most of the time unless you use a flake or something like that, but then you end up with texture. So, you know, it's just the nature of the beast when it comes to reds. It's pretty much with any red pearl I've ever found, it does tend to go that way a little bit. And you can buy candy base coats, shoot them over black, and kind of remedy that. A lot of companies make that type of stuff. So there's multiple options out there. This is just one of many ways you can get it done. So, hey, it ain't up to me. Rate it, guys. 1 through 10, 1 through 5, however you want to rate it. If you want to spray with Eye Candy Pigments Rusty or any other pearl from Eye Candy Pigments, I'm an affiliate. I can get you a discount. My links will be below. You just enter WAW shop at checkout. You'll get a discount. It goes to help out the channel. The Limelight Candy Concentrates, you can find them in my Amazon store. Currently, the red is out of stock. I think Limelight is changing some stuff around. They've added different color candies. Used to, you had to mix 1 of 3 candies together to get like greens and oranges and purples, but now they've added greens and orange and purples and root beers to their website. So a lot of changes with Limelight right now, so just bear with them as they make that adjustment or whatever else. And as always, guys, leave me a quick like and comment. You know, let me know what you thought of today's spray out. Rate it, thoughts and opinions. I know a lot of you guys wanted to see black with a red pearl. What did you think of it? Did it turn out the way you expected? And that helps me out tremendously with YouTube's algorithm for engagement, so I can continue to spread out and do these videos, crazy spray outs, paint jobs, tutorials, a little bit of everything on this channel. And if you haven't already and you find yourself coming back watching my videos, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. We're all the time doing new crazy things on this channel, and you just never know what you're going to see next. I'm probably not going to have a video for Friday. I'm actually currently battling an impacted wisdom teeth. Yeah, wisdom teeth at 40. Who would have thought, right? So I've got to get some light surgery done and get that cut out. And yeah, so I am not feeling the best, but I wanted to get you guys an episode out today just because I love doing the YouTube and I love bringing you guys fun new content so that you can watch and everything else. But I appreciate you tremendously for watching today, guys. Really blessed to have each and every one of you continue to come back to the show. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.